Hello guys, this is Kirks over here, and in this video we are going to create our first web page. So in the last video we have discussed about different tags, important elements in an HTML document, and if you haven't watched that video, please go check out that and come back. So utilizing all the things that we learned there, today we are going to create our first web page. So without any further ado, let's open the code editor. So in my case I am using the VS Code. You can use any of your code editors, and if you are not willing to use any of them, please use the notepad. So I'm going to open the code editor, and the code editor has this like interface. So I'm going to create a file for me. I'm going to click on file, new file. So I have a new file, untitled file here. So the second step I am going to do is to create an HTML file for me. So for doing that, I am going to save this untitled file as an HTML file. So I am going to click on file, save as. I am going to give a name for my file. So let us give it as our first web page. Then I am going to save it at the desktop. So I click desktop here, and the second step I am gonna do is to change the type from plain text to HTML. We can make this into an HTML file either by doing the type thing, or just adding .html to the name. So let's save it, and as soon as we save it, our IDE has sensed that as an HTML file and brings some noticeable changes. So the icon has changed it to the code icon, and you can see a .html as obviously. Then let's write our first tag. So let's write our first tag, that is the HTML tag. So as I write the opening tag, the IDE automatically creates the closing tag. Then let's create the second tag, that is a head tag. Then let us create some space by creating enter, and let me give a title for our web page. So what should we give as the title? Let's give the title as my first web page. Then let's save that. So if you haven't saved your file, you can see a white dot here. So let's save that and just minimize this so you can see the file here. I'm going to open it. So since we have not created a body, we can see only a blank white screen, but we can see here the title of our web page, that is the my first web page. So let us minimize it again, and let's give a body for our web page. So I am going to create the body tag. So whatever the thing that we type between the closing and the opening of the body tag is directly visible in our web page. So let us type hello world. Save it. I'm going to minimize it and open the browser. So since we have made changes to the file, we want to reload it. So I'm going to click this button and reload the page, and now we can see the hello world. So whatever thing we type in the body tag, we can see that. So we can make it more professional by using the paragraph tag. That is the other way of creating textures, or for long paragraphs you can use the paragraph tag. So I am going to create the paragraph tag. We open the paragraph tag, we closed it, and we are going to type the content. So I'm going to type hello world am learning HTML. I'm going to save it. Minimize it again, open the browser and click on reload. So you can see what all we type in the paragraph tag here. So I'm opening this aside and opening the code here. So what all we created here, it is directly visible here. So in this video I am planning to show you some more thing. So this is our web page, and you can use any web page you want. So I'm opening Google. So if you left click here and click on view page source, you can see all the code that we typed for creating this page. It is applicable in all the web pages. So if I go to some web page like Wikipedia, I open the page. website, and I'm going to click on view page source. So now here you can see the HTML code of Wikipedia. You can see the HTML head, title, all these things here also. So that's all for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye bye.